Moving a wet brick of this size is a delicate operation. One crack, and weeks of work are lost. Welcome to the Valley of Fire and Earth, where we are digging for the foundation of the world's largest red clay brick. To create a Titan of this size, we must move over 10,000 tons of high-density red clay every single day. Purity is everything. The clay is ground into a powder finer than silk to ensure a flawless final surface. We mix the red earth with mineral-rich water to create a clay dough that is incredibly strong and flexible. Every batch is scientifically tested. The perfect brick requires a perfect molecular bond. We extract every single air bubble. If any air remains, our Titan brick could explode in the kiln. Adding minerals ensures that iconic deep red color that defines the strength of a true clay brick. We keep the earth warm. It makes the extrusion process as smooth as cutting through butter. The transformation begins, from raw mud to a structured giant.
The transformation begins, from raw mud to a structured giant.
Every edge must be sharp. Precision is the mark of a record breaker. We measure every millimeter. Our brick must be a perfect geometric solid. Now, we prepare to cut the world's largest block of earth. The earth is ready. Now, we give it the shape of a legend. This is the Titan press. It applies enough force to crush a mountain, compacting the clay into its final form. We compact the red earth until it is as dense as solid granite, ensuring zero internal air gaps. Behold the Titan, a single block of earth that weighs over 20 tons, perfectly shaped and solid. Every brick has a name. We carve our legacy directly into the heart of the red earth. Details matter. Even at this gigantic scale, perfection is achieved through micro-adjustments. Moving a wet brick of this size is a delicate operation. One crack, and weeks of work are lost. This specialized kiln car will carry the Titan through its long and intense journey of fire. It's not just a brick, it's a monument of clay and engineering standing 10 feet tall. We begin a slow drying process. The outer skin must be tough before it faces the 1,000-degree kiln. The journey to the drying hall begins. This is where the red earth starts its permanent transformation. In this hall, we will extract 5,000 pounds of water from the clay over the next 48 hours. We monitor the drying speed. If the clay dries unevenly, the Titan will crack like a dry desert. The transformation is visible. The Titan is becoming lighter, stronger, and ready for the eternal fire. The belly of the beast, where fire transforms earth into stone. Slowly, the clay enters the Inferno. The temperature climbs to thousands of degrees. A week-long process of intense baking. The chemical transformation is pure science. Controlled cooling is vital for structural integrity. The steam rises as the monolith cools down. The moment of truth arrives.
the masterpiece of clay.
Lifting the Titan out for the final time. Rock solid, ready for anything. The kiln has done its work. Now, let's test the strength of the world's biggest brick. The impact is immense, yet it remains unmoved. Absolute structural integrity. Treated for maximum weather resistance. Can it withstand the force of a machine? It is. It is an immovable object. Strength that defies expectations. A visual spectacle of size and strength. Dimensions that set a new global standard.
A work of art, carved from the earth.
The team is satisfied.
The most robust block in history.
Official slogans Koma. It can Bunfi. Official measurements confirm it.
The records are being shattered today. A permanent mark of this achievement.
shining in the sun. Officially entered into the books.
It will stand here for centuries.
Changed the landscape forever. From a handful of clay to a monument.
An incredible journey of human ingenuity.
This is the world's biggest red clay brick. Thank you for witnessing this monumental project. Subscribe for more giant feats.
Until next time, keep dreaming big.